Hey everyone, my name is Kate Place, and today welcome to my server. And today I'm gonna be actually doing this as a server video, and you might possibly know this is actually my server. And someone made this cute little pug, and built by MG Plays, and she actually joined my server, which is actually good. And today is my time to actually build my house. Now, I'm gonna find the items that I want to use for my modern thingy house. I don't know. But I do need this, and I don't think I could put a door. Okay, let's add a. I kind of want to make it like circle. Because you know why? Circles are awesome. So let's see. Let's make this as like that. So I might be building my house. And this server doesn't actually have mods, which is a bit weird. As I want to add mods, but eventually you can't actually add mods in Minecraft service, and I don't know why. Please add that in Mojang. I don't know if Mojang would actually do that, or like the server app makers. So I might make a really classy door. It's actually quite close to spawn. Let's make this as my first door. It should do. And I need to add a style as well. Okay, let's see how you make it. It's not like that. It's like that. They look like a lot like teeth. They look a lot like teeth. I mean, I'm not even sure if I like that. Okay, let me just. Okay, let's just build this whole thing with cords. I don't really think if I want to use the cyan, whatever you call that stuff. Let's see. I should probably make an upstairs because I don't know why, but I need to make an upstairs for it because it's a modern. Oh my god, this house is really pretty. Like what? I don't even know why do I really love Minecraft so much. Okay, so that's 5 blocks. Okay. 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, why can't I? 5. Wait. Okay. Yep. And this should be my last block of the day. And there's my other blocks. This is gonna be like a really awful thing. Okay. Oh fuck. Teach me guys how to even how to make like certain words in your Minecraft server, because I will give you a shout out to the person who has given me the idea or teach me how to make that thing that I've been looking for. And the lucky person that will be someone could be on my shout out. So this could be my little yard. There we go. Oh my god. So let's add this corner over here as pillar blocks. Okay. I want to make this as the town hall, but I don't really feel like. I thought always day is on. I don't really know. Let's spin it on. Okay. Okay, Mom. Let's see. Does this look great? Yeah, 4 blocks would be good. There we go. Now time to add. I don't really know if circle to circle is great. Does that? I don't even know. Okay, so I see. I need to add some windows as well. Okay. This could be like my bedroom, but only the upstairs could be my bedroom because you know how I love the upstairs. And I kind of want to make a floor to go up to my big, massive house. I don't really think if this is really good house. It could be like my little hallway, whatever you want to call it. I kind of want to like add some gold stuff to my undecorated house. There's a lot of cool stuff in it. I'm not even joking. I mean, look at this. Does that look something I don't really want to see? I don't know. But let's add like an upstairs area. Okay, so let's add that. Could be the portion to lead upstairs. Yep, this is gonna be how it's gonna be built. I don't know, Mom, and I'm recording. And I need to build this quick. I don't really think I want to make it more kawaii-ish because I want to make it a little bit more like, I don't think I want something like more kawaii-ish, but I want something like more modern. Yeah. Let's just do this. I don't even know how it's gonna turn out. Okay, this looks good for now. Okay, I need to fill it up. Started. Now time to build it up. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Oh, hopefully someone join my server. And I just hope that modern houses has to be like more actual modern, as you call it, modern house. I kind of want to add like those perky stairs. There we go. Yep, don't worry guys, it's just an ad. There we go. Oops, it's not in the right spot. There we go. Yeah, I think it's good. So, I got like a little doorway. Okay. So, see. Let's build this gorgeous room of mine. And I want to make like a kitchen for myself because I don't really know why. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 6. Okay, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. Okay, it's 5 now, and then I need 6. And I need something a little bit more nice. Oops, let me just grab that. Oops. I'm terrible. I'm super terrible. There's someone really noisy in my house, so. Okay, be back in a minute. Okay, guys, now we're back and fly up and majestically in. And this is pretty much just my house. I created this big box. I don't really know what to put in here, so I just put this really weird like fence tops. Like if you don't really know what to put under, but you could just put like this. So this is actually a really cool decoration. So might as well go in. And this is actually my house, which is not undecorated yet because I ran out of time. So I just have this really nice base, and it's really pretty as well. Have this windows, which I have to put in. I like these chiseled blocks using as floors. Oops, just put that there. And stairs. I don't really know, but I'm gonna decorate this on the next episode. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Kate Plays love you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe.